Welcome to another isolation workout. This is all about your abs. We're doing a 14-minute ab circuit. Pretty intense, 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds rest, and we're doing 14 rounds. 7 exercises, twice through. 20-second starter period, that is our low intensity, and we're going into our high intensity, which will be mountain climbers. So hands under shoulders, bringing those knees in, driving in for 40 seconds. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, off we go. Driving those knees in, nice and controlled. Keep those hands underneath those shoulders and keep that going. This is going to be a really tough workout today. Those abs are going to be on fire. This is a little bit more cardio, but just keep that going. We're over halfway. Whew. It's going to be warm. It's going to be burning. Those abs are going to be on fire. We've got 7 seconds to go. Keep that going. 3, 2, 1, and relax that there. Shake off those arms. We're going to do plank jacks. So back into a plank, here, there, alternating. Okay? Shake those arms off. We've got 8 seconds. These two are burning together. Ready? Hands on. Plank. Off we go. Jumping in. Gonna get his shoulders working hard. 20 seconds to go. We're gonna go onto our back after this to give our arms a rest. Good job. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Onto your back. Legs straight. And we're going to come up, alternate and touch. Up, alternate and touch. Whew. If you want to make it a bit easier, you can just bring knee across. Ready? Off we go. Up, alternate and touch. Up, alternate and touch. Whew. Good job. Keep that going. Now we're getting in to the ab crunch. Give those abs really starting to cramp. Keep that going. Ooh. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Keep that going. Up. Cool. And relax. Good. Side plank. Start on your right side. Both feet together here, up, and we're gonna reach through and round. 40 seconds on each side. Ready for this? 4, 3, 2, 1, and reach through and up. Reach through and up. Keep that elbow underneath your shoulder. Let's keep this moving. Reaching through. Reach. Nice. Reach. You got this. We got this. Let's keep going now. If you do struggle, just stop when you can't do any more and wait for the next round. 10 seconds. Oh, this is a tough one. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax there. Breathe, breathe, breathe. We're going the other side now. Right, on your side. 7 seconds. Let's keep that going. Feet up in the air. Ready for this? 3, 2, 1, and reach through. Looking good. Just keep that moving. Reach through that gap as far as you can. Get a rotation through your core. Good job. Keep this going. Halfway now, halfway. Considering the world record for a plank is over 8 hours, doing it for 40 seconds, it's pretty tough. Let's keep going now. 3, 2, and relax that there. Back onto your elbows. Here, you can do it on your knees if you want, and we're basically going to drop hip to the floor. Okay? 5 seconds. Into that plank. 3, 2, 1. Drop the hips to the floor and change sides. Rolling it over. Good work. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one of the set. Slow negatives. So start here. We're going to roll as far as we can. Get to that hold point. Hold, hold, hold. Release. Throw yourself up. And down we go. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Slowly down. Slowly down. Get to that hold point. And up. And again. Down we go. We've only got probably 5 of these. Control. Get to that point. Hold. And up. And straight back down. Good. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Nice work. Up we come. 17 seconds left. Good job. Right, 9 seconds. Slow, slow. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax that there. Good. That's one round done. We're going back to the mountain climbers. Mountain climbers for 40 seconds in 10 seconds. Let's get ourselves into position. Let's get that heart rate back up. Hands in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep driving those knees in towards the elbows. Keep that going. That's 30 seconds. This is good work, guys. And we're now halfway through. 10 seconds now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax that there. Like I say, if you can only manage 30 seconds, stop, recover. Have 30-second recovery, and then we're going to go into the next exercise. Pick up with me when we start the next one. We're doing the jacks now. Back to that plank, jumping those legs out to the side. In 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. Out. Rotating out. Good job. Stay strong through those shoulders, strong through those hips. We're halfway. Into the last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax there. Cool. Alternate toe touches. I've got a sweat on, guys. I've got a sweat on. Onto your back, reaching up for your opposite toe. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, off we go. Touch and change sides. Touch. Remember, if you want it easier, just bring elbow to knee. The more you can get your shoulders off the ground, the more you're going to feel it in those abs. Keep that working. 4, 3, 2, and relax that there. Side plank reach throughs. 15 seconds to go. I'm warm. I am warm. Right, onto your side, onto your elbow. In 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Reach through and up. Reach through and up. If you need to, come onto your knees. Help with that support. Reach through as far as we can. Come on, we're on the home straight now. We're on the home straight. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax that there. Other side. Let's go. 3 exercises left, 3 minutes left. Finitoed. 10-second recovery. Onto your elbows. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Up we come and reach through and up. Reach through. Nice and tall with that reach and as far through underneath as you can. Up and through. Keep that moving. We're over halfway on this one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax that there. Right, elbow dips, hips, side to side. You've got this, stay strong now. Don't give up on me. 5 seconds. I'm sweating. Like working out in Barbados. Right, elbows, off we go. Side dips, up. Drop those hips to the floor. Be strong now, 20 seconds, and then one more exercise to go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax that there. Woo! Slow negative falls now. Knees bent, 5 reps. Let's go for 5. Scrap that. Let's do 10. Let's go. 1 minute 20 of work. Down slow. And up. 1 done. And again. Last exercise, guys. Push it to the end. Ah, good. That's 2 done. Straight back in. Control it down. Hover where you're about to fall. Yeah, there we are. Feel that burn. 3 done. Into the home straight. You've got this. Up. That's 4 done. 1 more. And then we've got 5 left. Workout complete apparently. Not yet. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yes, there we are. 4 more. Control, control, control. Feel it through those abs. Soon you'll be looking like Peter Andre in Mysterious Girl. Come on now. 2 more. Let's go. Control, control, control. Yes, there it is. Last one. Right, get to that point where you're about to fall, and we're holding that for 5 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. And relax. You've done it. You completed the ab workout. Good job. Enjoy your day.